Good morning, time is currently 1:40 and I just woke up. I can't remember the last time I woke up this late, but I'm not gonna lie, Vlogmas is kicking my ass is basically what I'm trying to say. Not me setting you guys up on a mug. So today was supposed to be like a productive day, like wake up early, alarm was set for 7 a.m. and the alarm did in fact go off. I just shut it off. But I woke up, okay, and I was like, okay, time to journal. Even though I know I always do this, so I don't know why I keep continuing to do this, but I laid in my bed, I started journaling right here. I didn't really make it too far though. I made it like 2 lines, then I fell back to sleep. And I would wake up again, and then I would write another line, and then I would fall back to sleep. And then I would write another line, and I would fall back to sleep. And it's just so funny because you can literally just see every single time I woke up. This is the first line I wrote. Second line I wrote. I think probably the third line, fourth line. And then every single time I woke up, I would write like new things on my to-do list. Basically, I've been out and about on the town, just doing a bunch of things. No, by out and about on the town, I mean I have been not home, not in a routine or anything like that. Even though it's been 2 weeks since I've lived here. And my boxes are still not packed. And my house is low-key a mess. I have laundry that I need to do. And I was filming a brand deal yesterday, so now my closet looks like this. It's not terrible, but we need to water my plants over there. Also do some laundry, go grocery shopping. If you guys want to see what my life has been for the past couple of days, this is it. I don't have groceries and I have just been devouring Ferrero Rochers and eating apples and pickles. So we need to do something about that because I don't think that that's the best for me. I mean, like, since when do I care? But at the same time, eventually I'm gonna run out, you know? But yesterday, oh, it's raining. Are y'all seeing this right now? Yesterday, I got a treadmill installed. This is gonna be like the TV room, by the way. So maybe we can hop on that bang before we do anything else. Am I mad about waking up at 1 o'clock? Honestly, usually I'd be like, oh no, but no, I needed it. We're green. It's very festive. Wow, I haven't put on a workout set in forever. I also haven't looked in a full-length mirror in forever. So I literally don't even know what I look like. Surprisingly, after eating so many chocolates and eating Tim Hortons, McDonald's, all that stuff this week while I was in Ohio, my skin's still going strong. Ew, do you guys see how gloomy it is outside? Like the cast on my face right now is blue. That's disgusting. Disgusting! A bathroom organization video is going to be a whole video in itself. I do want to film that tomorrow though, not gonna lie. But you know when you eat terribly, I feel like your skin reflects that. Surprisingly, that hasn't been happening lately. I don't know why. Who knows what's happening? Because guys, I haven't ate a proper meal in like 2 weeks and it's become an issue. I went grocery shopping, but I didn't fucking do anything with the groceries except for like eat the apples. So I'm gonna order groceries. Actually, no. We're not gonna order groceries. We're going to go to a grocery store and find the essentials that we need and bring them back home. Maybe I should like start buying my groceries every other day or something like that instead of every 2 weeks. But that also seems very inconvenient. Oh my god, guys, I've never had like a treadmill or like work. I mean, actually when I was younger, we had a treadmill in our place, but like no one used it. Like we used it for fun. And actually one time, I remember my cousins were over and they put the speed so high and started running and one of them smacked their face and then like ripped all the skin off their face. But I literally have no excuse not to like go on a run. Wow. And like this TV, I like to like run with music first, but then I can like run and watch YouTube videos. This is such a slay. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, and it's raining right now. Why am I like excited to work out? This is literally gonna last a day. Okay. Start. Oh, they have to turn it on. Start. Oh my god, it's turning on. I'm a treadmill girly. Imagine me waking up every day and like being like 6 a.m. I go to my treadmill. Like, why am I living for this right now? The fact that I can like look outside. Oh my god, guys, this is like a home gym. We're gonna watch my girl Amelia. Let's actually see if I can even do this because I haven't ran in a long time. You're like, we do not give a. Okay, started. Okay, oh my god. Go potty, go my day one. This is so fun, guys. Mommy's working out. Why I've been unproductive is because I don't have my whiteboard, and I don't know if that's actually the valid reason, but I want to believe that it is. So I bought this, which is hopefully gonna solve all my problems. It's a whiteboard. So I'm thinking I want to stick it right here. Right here? Is this the vibe? I have no idea what I'm doing. I feel like I'm putting on like a big boy phone screen right now. This is actually so satisfying. Are y'all seeing this right now? Wow, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. This fits so perfectly here. And the reason why I put it here is because this is just like a mock. This is not actually a cabinet. Wow. Tell me why this is the most exciting thing that I've done in a very long time, which doesn't sound the greatest, but let's write down our to-do list. Time is currently 3:39 and the sun is gonna set in 30 minutes, but that's fine, guys. The day is just started. Water, plants, wash sheets, wash clothes, clean closet. This is the to-do list. Y'all should get one of these because the ones that you have to buy at the store and then like hang up yourself, they're so bulky and big, and this, seamless. Yay! This looks so good. I've decided that the designated spot for all the markers and stuff is gonna be in the drawer right here. Basically, this is the garbage and you just pull this out, boom. Ferrero Rochers are the most elite chocolate, no argument. I still haven't ate today and it's 4 p.m, but I also did only wake up 3 hours ago, so is it that big of a deal? Not really. Am I gonna eat another one of these? Yes. Should I go get food? Just like what food? Why don't you figure my heart out? Guys, I used to be a 1975 stan back in like what, 2016, something like that, right? Literally the 1975 was my first concert ever. I remember I used to listen to them every single day, so whenever it comes on now I get so nostalgic, but so nostalgic. And I know when you're around, cause you're not around, I know the sound of your heart. This song was literally like my whole high school. Fun fact, the first guy that I was ever like basically involved with ever in my life, he was a huge 1975 fan and he put me on. Oh, that is what's so good about having like your own house, is you can just blast this music. Time is currently 6:30. I still haven't ate yet, so I think that we should go out to the grocery store and grab something after I do this, which is hang up all of these clothes. Honestly, it's not too bad. I just had to shoot this North Face brand deal, so it's just like a bunch of big jackets and stuff like that. Oh, so many jackets. It's like, do I really need this many? Wait, you guys, I was just in my backpack getting rid of things and I came across this letter from my meet and greet that I did this summer when I dropped Alchemy. I did like a pop-up and I didn't get to read this one yet, and it said, you're one of the most honest, pure, loving soul I've ever put my eyes on. Don't ever talk bad about yourself. I truly just want to say how much I adore you with the bottom of my heart. After I found out about your journey and where you came from, it made me have hope that anything is possible. And it is, because somehow I got this letter to your hands and these words to your heart. I love you so, so much. My mom watches your videos with me and she loves you. She laughs so much when you pop up on the TV. Thank you for being you, love. You will truly be my favorite person. And she said, I just want you to know that not all days are gonna look perfect, but your soul still will. And she said, P.S. please start a podcast. I love you. You guys, see, it'd be like these written notes that like make me so, like the fact that she sat down and wrote this, showed up at the meet and greet, stood in line to meet me just to give me this is so crazy. This is why I do it. This is why I make videos. And this is why I read my comments, is because like every single one of my comments are so supportive and so positive. And it's been like that literally my whole entire existence on YouTube. And I just want to say thank you guys so much. And I will continue to read my comments till the day that I die. forgot that I have just bags and boxes full of alchemy. We have to hang them up. Wow. Are y'all seeing this? Look at the detail of like the puff text. Do you guys see? It's like texture. You can feel it. I'm gonna change it to this one because I feel like I've been wearing the black one a lot lately. But we're about to head out to go to the grocery store and just grab enough for dinner and breakfast. Wow. Not me literally like stripping in front of you guys. That was a little much, wasn't that? Nice. All right, I'm gonna put some pants on and then let's head out. I just got back home with the groceries, so you know what we can do? Check off buy food. Should I show you guys what I got? Yeah, since it was like a small haul, let's do it. So I bought this jam from this tastes so dry, but it's so good. I bought a special jam, but I've had nothing to spread it on, so I got like little mini croissants. I was debating in the aisle for like 4 minutes, I swear. Like, do you guys just see this crumble? Oh my god. Basil for the salmon. Butter, because I decided maybe we'll make cookies tonight. I was gonna grab like the pre-cooked, but then I was like, oh, I think I have everything to make it at home. Could be fun. And then I also just got some salmon. And then I also got some things for breakfast tomorrow as well. So I got eggs, oh, broccoli for the salmon, pre-cut up fruit, you know, we bougie out here right now. Oat milk to make matcha tomorrow, garlic, lots of apples, lemon for the salmon, and avocado for some avocado. I was gonna say toast, but we don't have toast. Maybe avocado croissant? Tell me why I just got a text around 8:30 and then I was like, is somebody trying to ask me to hang out at 8:30? What are they doing? And it is a Uber Eats delivery screenshot with the order on it. So someone has ordered me food, which is so crazy. But I still want to make dinner though. Maybe I'll make cookies and eat that as dinner so I can still cook. Okay, so I just went downstairs. I was gonna go get stuff to make cookies because I didn't realize that I was out of baking soda and sugar. But I ended up going outside and it was pouring rain, so we didn't do that. Damn, I was gonna go out and get some baking soda. Definitely not. But the food is here. I don't know what they got me. He got me salmon and I was literally gonna make salmon. Like, oh, guys, look at how beautiful this is. And some miso soup. Miso soup. I thought that was gonna spill everywhere. Guys, I do gotta say, today is my first day like living in this house, and I know you're gonna be like, Ma, you've been living here for like 2 weeks now. What are you talking about? Like, today was the first day that I cleaned the house. Does that make sense? Like, did task as if this was my house. This makes no sense, does it? But this is my first day just living in here. You know what I mean? Just existing. You're probably like, what? Why did I look like that whole time? This is so good. Wow, this salmon looks incredible. I wish I had a microwave so badly right now. Guys, my friend, the one that helps me makes my clothes, he just sent me the pictures of all the stuff being made right now, all of my alchemy, and it's just so cool. I wish I could be there in person so bad, but it's made in LA. And I'm like, no fucking way. I'm gonna cry, I'm gonna cry, I'm gonna cry, I'm gonna cry. Not to be cringe. I literally put on my 2021 goals that I wanted to have a clothing line, that I wanted to have a warehouse, and it's 2022 and I literally have those things now. This is something that I feel so proud of. And it's so cool being able to see these things come to life. I remember telling people that I wanted to make a custom silhouette one size hoodie. And they said, Mai, don't do that. That looks so unprofessional. No one's gonna buy that. And we sold that out on the spam account in less than 24 hours. They were all just like, whoa. And I was like, no, you guys don't understand how strong the spam family is. And I know that sounds so cringe, but seriously, it's just insane. Thank you guys so much, and I love you guys so much. Sorry that was so cringe and so long. I probably cut that down to like 2 minutes, but this was genuinely a 25-minute video of me just talking about how much I fucking love our community that we have. Yes, so that means you. I love you. I got this new incense holder you guys saw in the shopping video, but we're gonna put some Palo Santo. This smells amazing right now, and it just like makes me feel very at peace. I just feel like living alone can sometimes make me feel very anxious, especially like in a new place, and like it just is so much bigger. But this is just kind of reminding me that like I'm at home, you know?
East and the west, racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I I should've rest. All night long, she putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Couldn't know my lines, I'm sending them but the best.